Now we shall discuss some question on the factorial. See this one. First question, 8 factorial into 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now see, these two terms 8 factorial into 6 factorial cannot be multiplied directly. So first open it and then you go for multiplication. If you see, 8 factorial is the larger value, 6 factorial is the smaller value, and this 2 factorial is also a smaller value. So we open the smaller value here. 8 in 8 factorial kept as it is. 6 factorial, it is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the 6 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 into 1. Now this 2 and 2 get cancelled. What is left? 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 5, 60 into 6, 360. Your answer is 360 into 8 factorial. Or if you want to open the factorial, you can open 360 into 8 factorial. Now let us discuss one more question. Question number second. 1 by 6 factorial, 1 by 7 factorial is equals to x by 8 factorial. See this one. In this question we want to calculate x. For that, what to do? 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial. Whenever a factorial is given to you, for simplification we always go with that method in which we break the larger value of factorial into smaller value of factorial, so that we can calculate the result. See this one. Among 6, 7 and 8, which one is the larger value? 8 factorial. So first of all we break 8 factorial. But when we break, up to which point we can break? It also in the statement. The lowest value is 6 factorial. So we break this 8 factorial up to 6 factorial. So first one is 8, second one is 7, third one is 6 factorial. Now this is 1 upon 7 factorial. Again it is larger than the 6 one. Break it. It is 7 into 6 factorial. Now plus it is 1 upon 6 factorial. If you observe, these three terms contain the 6 factorial in all the cases. So 6 factorial, 6 factorial, 6 factorial. So now we can take 6 factorial common. 1 upon 6 factorial. What is left? 1 plus 1 by 7 is equals to x upon 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. This 6 factorial cancel with 6 factorial because both are lies in denominator. Now take the LCM. It is 7 plus 1 upon 7 is equals to x upon 8 into 7. Now again this 7 get cancelled because they are in denominator. So it is what? 8. This multiplied 8 is equals to x. Then x is equals to 64. So value of x is equals to 64. Now see one more question. It is 5 factorial. It is 2 factorial. It is 5 minus 2. Remember, if we write down in this way 5 factorial minus 2 factorial, and if we write down in this way 5 minus 2 factorial, these two terms having a different meaning. It means first solve 5 factorial, then solve 2 factorial, and then go for subtraction. But it say first go for the subtraction and then solve for the factorial. This is the big difference between these two. So see here what is written here. He written 5 minus 2, it's factorial. It means first we subtract and then go for factorial. If we see 5 factorial, it is 5 factorial. Can be open 5 into 4 into 3. It can be stop at the 3. This is also 3 factorial. This is 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. So because we can break only one, either 2 or either 3, so that it can directly cancel 3 factorial. 2 will cancel 5. Your answer is equals to 10. So it is a way to simplify the factorial notation. Remember, you will be most careful about the calculation, and you will be most take care when you open a factorial, because a simple mistake completely ruined the question.